this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on Trust Wallet. So first of all, open up your app and then go to the asset that you want to sell. And you can just select them from your home tab. There you will see all of your assets, or you can just search for your asset in here. And in this tutorial, I'm going to sell BTC. So go ahead and select your crypto. And in this tutorial, I'm just going to sell BTC. So I'm going to click on this in here. And now I see this option in here to sell. So let's click on this. And now we need to enter the amount that we want to sell. And be aware that there are minimums based on the crypto you're selling. And for Bitcoin, I'm not sure what it is, but it is something around $8 or something like that. So I'm just going to fill in the amount that I want to sell. So I'm just going to type in everything I have. And then you can see a provider. You can also see the amount in dollars or euro. And then you can click on the provider to see if there are some others, and there aren't at the moment. So now you can just go ahead and click on sell with Ramp. So go ahead and click on this, and now you will be connected to your provider to go through the process. So just go ahead and fill in all your details in here. You can just continue with Apple or with Google, your email address. Basically, you need to click on proceed, then click on confirm, and then you will in the end sell your crypto on Trust Wallet just like this. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.